Zoho Trident integrates with Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace, so you can enhance your collaborative experience and streamline your workflows. Let's dive in. To start off, let's integrate Trident with Google Workspace. While there's no direct integration, we can achieve this indirectly through Zoho One. Start by logging into your Zoho One admin panel. Click on App Settings and find the Applications section. In the search bar, type G Suite or Google Workspace and locate the result. Click Add to incorporate it into your Zoho One account. Alternatively, click Add Application. Select Browser under Marketplace Apps. Search for G Suite, then click Install to proceed. Select G Suite from Applications and choose Install on the confirmation page. Provide a display name, domain name, and select desired child apps. Then click the Add button. On the integration page, assign users and click Configure to initiate single sign-on. Test the single sign-on functionality by clicking Open App. Authenticate and integrate with your G Suite account. Configure and map services like CRM, Calendar, and Docs between Zoho and Google. Save changes to complete the integration process. Remember, the steps might vary slightly based on updates, so always ensure you have the necessary permissions in both Zoho One and Google Workspace. Now, let's integrate Trident with Outlook using the IMAP protocol. As the direct integration between Trident and Outlook is not yet operational, you can integrate Zoho Mail with Outlook, and as a result, you will achieve an indirect integration with Trident, as Zoho Mail is pre-integrated with Trident. Launch Outlook and navigate to the Files tab. From there, select Add Account or opt to create a new account. Opt for manual setup or additional server types, and then click on Next. Proceed by selecting POP or IMAP and clicking Next. Fill in the following details. Under your name, enter your display name. Next, enter your full Zoho Mail email address. For account type, select IMAP. The incoming mail server is imap.zoho.com. Your outgoing mail server, or SMBP, is smvp.zoho.com. Use your full Zoho Mail email address for your username. Your password is your Zoho Mail password. However, consider using an app-specific password if two-factor authentication is enabled. Select More Settings, and within the Outgoing Server tab, mark the checkbox for My Outgoing Server Requires Authentication. Under the Advanced tab, use the following settings. Your incoming server should be set to 993 with encrypted connection or SSL. Your outgoing server should be set to 465 with encrypted connection. Click on OK, then proceed by clicking Next to test the account settings. If all the information is accurate, finalize the setup process. That's how you can access Zoho Mail within Outlook using the IMAP protocol. Finally, let's integrate Trident with Microsoft 365. There are two ways to attempt this integration. The first is by opening Microsoft Outlook. Either the web version or desktop client will work well. You can add the Zoho Mail add-in from there. Alternatively, download the Zoho Mail add-in from Zoho's official website. To install the Zoho Mail Outlook add-in, open the installation file and click Yes to grant permission for the app to install. On the Install Shield wizard for Zoho Mail Outlook add-in, click Next. In the Select Installation folder step, select an installation path and click Next. Proceed by clicking Next again to initiate the installation. After the installation is complete, open an email, click the Zoho icon, and sign in with your Zoho credentials. After signing in, you'll have the capability to save, manage, and send emails or attachments directly to different Zoho apps. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on integrating Trident with Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore the powerful tools and features Zoho Trident offers, contact our Zoho partner team.